Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a TikTok account. Password reset step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone or go to TikTok.com on a computer. Tap Login on the first screen to access the sign-in options. Choose Use Phone/Email/Username to continue. On the next screen, select Email/Username if you normally sign in that way. If you normally sign in with a phone number, select Phone instead. Look for the Forgot Password option and tap it. Choose whether you want to reset using phone or email based on what you still have access to. If you pick phone, enter your phone number with the correct country code. Tap Send Code and wait for the SMS verification code to arrive. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. If you pick email, enter the email address linked to your TikTok account. Tap Send Code and open your email inbox. Check your inbox and also your spam or junk folder for the TikTok message. Open the email and copy the verification code or follow the reset link if provided. Return to TikTok and paste or type the verification code carefully. When TikTok accepts the code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using old passwords you have used on TikTok or other apps. Confirm the new password by typing it a second time. Tap Confirm or Save to finalize the password change. After the reset, log in again using your phone number or email and the new password. If you do not receive a code, wait a few minutes and tap Resend Code once. Make sure your phone has signal and can receive SMS, or that your email account is accessible. Double-check that you entered the correct phone number or email address linked to the account. If you forgot which email or phone you used, try your most common ones and look for TikTok messages. If your account uses a connected login like Google, Apple, or Facebook, try logging in with that method. If you suspect your account was hacked, change your email password and enable two-step verification in TikTok settings after you log in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.